Hey YouTubers, this is Angry Dude SP, and today I will be showing you Angry Bird Erases mystery packs. They have 2 pair pack, and there is 9 to collect. Pretty cool. We got Minion Pig, Bluebird, Battle Bruise Redbird. And then we got Blackbird, Mustache Pig, Exploding Blackbird, Battle Bruise Pig, Redbird, and King Pig. 9 to collect. They are puzzle erasers. You can take them apart. And I got these at Shopko today, $2.99. Ages 6 and up. Pretty cool. And I think they're rare ones. Exploding Blackbird, Battle Bruise Pig, and Battle Bruise Redbird. So today I'll show you me opening it up, and let's open it up right now. This is pack 1. Okay, looks like we got Exploding Blackbird. This is a little pamphlet of how to build your bird. And Battle Bruise Pig. And that is it for the first pack. And we're going to open up the second pack. Actually, it's the last pack. What's the little thing? Oh, there it is. Okay. Battle Bruise Redbird. Yeah, Battle Bruise Redbird. And another King Pig. My mistake. I thought it was Battle Bruise Pig, but it's King Pig. Sorry. Yeah. And then we got the pamphlet again. Nothing else. And that is my Angry Bird Erasers mystery packs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.